It's day 2 of our install.
Day 3.
Day 4.
It's day 5.
But your form is great though. Just started. How are we doing?
Parker, there's been better day 1s before. There's been better day 1s. Inches of snow, driveways covered in ice, trucks slipped off the driveway. It's gonna be a fun one today. So.
Michael came prepared today.
I am prepared.
I can't even see your eyes.
Yeah, I am like a ninja today, so.
Yeah, we need to move all this over so we can put our rug down. Oh, the cute shades! Oh my goodness! Oh, they're so cute! Work.
Why doing last minute design changes?
Andre is a genius. She's so good at her job.
Another huge problem of this house has been we can't park on here at all. So all of the trucks have to be out all the way over here, which I guess isn't horrible, but it is horrible. Pillows!
Many pillows. Oh my gosh. A whole van full of pillows.
It's huge.
They're like so heavy too. I'm actually really weak. I'm not good at this kind of job. Oh!
That is a lot of pillows.
All right, let's go.
Just lovely weather.
I hate this. It's so snowy. They're so heavy.
Look, Andrea, so strong.
Look how pretty they are.
All of them are so colorful. I love it.
So fun. Okay, it's day 2 of our install. Yesterday went pretty good, I would say. We got all the furniture upstairs in the bedrooms there. So Grant's gonna make those beds, and we're hoping to have all the upstairs guest bedrooms kind of completed today. And then we have all kinds of furniture coming for the main level, and we're gonna start unboxing accessories, and we'll see how far we get. So, yeah. This client loves her fancy stuff. She has impeccable taste. Look how
Oh,
fun.
they're gorgeous.
I love how everything I unbox is a surprise.
Like Christmas
It
morning.
feels like it's for me, even though it's not. We're doing one of these on either side of the sink here.
Oh, cute. I love
And I have
that.
a pretty top for them.
This is called what?
Big ass candle, that's what it says. Look, big ass candle right there.
What's your job today?
I'm making beds today. This is what team playing looks like. Come check them. So we started getting these beds going. Check out the deets. They look pretty sweet.
Ooh.
Don't worry, expertly assembled. Okay, expertly assembled. But pretty cool. You're gonna have two twins, and then I think a king or a queen, whatever this is. I don't even know.
Queen.
Should be a good day. Less snow than yesterday.
Much less.
So.
Look who's here.
Oh my gosh, this looks awesome. Oh, I love it. This is so pretty. That bed looks so good.
Jen, you always give me the best content.
Because I get so excited. It's a 3 claps. I figured out I do this.
We just gave you 30
30
minutes of exciting bed making and then
Oh, I love it! Look how cute these are. They're darling. Amazing. Amazing. Oh my gosh, I've had like dreams about these. Isn't this the cutest little thing ever? I like the little details. Look at that. Look at the little welt, you guys. Can I sleep here tonight?
Forgot you were here. We're on day 3 of our install, going strong. What are we working on today, Grant?
all of it.
All of it. We're gonna do all of it today. I think we've got just more furniture. I think we're bringing in some of the client's personal pieces today. And we're gonna finish the beds, put bedding on everything, start placing accessories. It's like we're in the thick of it right now.
Will I be here?
You could do it. Those are soft, right?
That will be fine.
Or grab onto that.
Like a backflip.
It's not covered by workers' comp.
Gotta keep organized. So many accessories. I don't know it's hard to know what's here and what's not.
The hardest decision today has been picking where to eat. Where did we land, Grant?
Mickey D's by popular, hey, by popular vote, okay? So that's not even me pushing my agenda. I'm a big Mickey D's fan, but by popular vote, we're going Mickey D's today.
And he's ordering on the app. His app. So he
Get all
gets
the
all the points for it.
My bonsai tree.
Both of these?
And then bonsai.
Crazy.
It's gonna be huge. It's gonna take up that whole console. That's what it is. I keep ripping the paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Where do I put this? Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. I feel like we have 2 of them. I seriously think we have 2, and they sent us the branches and not the base. I don't know.
Find out.
Yeah, what? Please hold. Let's go look at how cool it's gonna be on that table now. Follow me. It's gonna go here like this. It's so rad.
Yeah. That's gonna make this window look so cool.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the closet.
Some people distribute bedding, and some people move 300-pound consoles.
Just different skills.
Bedding's tricky. It's complex, Parker. Dang, you got the pink Hermes, dude. Whoever sleeps on the twin bed, getting hooked up.
And we have a really big surprise coming. But we're not going to tell you what it is, but it's going to be really, really unique
Yeah, you have
and
to
really fun
see.
in this room. So you have to come back and see the final.
Next episode will show you.
Yeah, it's going to be really fun.
Ta-da! We transformed it. We pretty much wallpapered it with like a vinyl sticker. We had like someone custom make this, I don't know what you call it, but they like took the pattern of the fabric and they turned it into a vector file, printed it onto vinyl and then they put it on the fridge and it looks so cool. It's basically like how you wrap a car, we wrapped a fridge. We love her.
Oh my gosh, I love it, right? This is a lesson in there was a problem and we solved it and we fixed it and it's even better than it was gonna be before. Yeah, because I can. There is extra of this, Laura. Why don't we get little ones? For that even we could. For here. Yeah, yeah. Or for the green. Or what about on that? Yeah, or a roll. Or a roll would be so cute. Or. Do you like our madness?
No, I don't actually. It's making me crazy.
Literally, Laura and I are like synced. We are truly synced. We're back, day 4 of this install. We still have a lot to do. It's a little more mild with furniture, but we've got a lot of beds to make. We have a lot of accessories to place, so we're gonna get going. I feel like Santa. And who doesn't want pillows? These are some of my favorite ones. We did this floral fabric, but then we added this like wool plaid trim ruffle. It's so cute.
I love it.
I would be happy to get these for Christmas. So the cool thing about bedding is it's never labeled. So you just have to figure out what size it is. It's really, really convenient that they do that for us.
How are we feeling today, Grant?
Me? Cruising.
I thought you were gonna say normal. You always say normal.
I always do actually say normal.
Normal?
Yeah.
You're feeling normal?
If it's going poorly, then you're kind of just like rolling with it. And if it's going great, then you're not getting too hyped. And so you're just even keel. Can't rock the boat.
I just don't know if I like you using the word normal in this house.
That's probably a good point. There's absolutely nothing normal about this house. It is one of a kind,
Not normal.
unbelievable. It's gotta be
Unique.
top house in Park City.
Top house.
Top house. Jeez. They think it weighs about 800 pounds. Well done. Well done. It's actually in the other bedroom. No one wants me here.
Let's get downstairs.
I need to get felt pads on this. To like stick those down.
This is where I want you to put my ashes tonight.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This client loves birds. We have many birds in this house.
Oh, the sofa looks so good. I love the black on here. Go downstairs. Those are comfy yet. I love that too.
Go, Claire, go. She's so strong.
Very good. And you guys know which sheets go with which room, right?
You doubt me? This is what the rest of our day is going to be.
Why did we not
Making
do
better. Day 5. I didn't brush my hair this morning. I have a migraine. Thank you. And we are placing art today, hanging some art, gonna kind of finish up with accessories. We've got a few rugs that are coming in today. So kind of just the final little pieces.
Everything. We have to have this house finished, complete.
Move, Parker.
Jump, Hannah.
Not tall enough to be the shape. 80.
I missed it, but she just bonked her head.
See this baby here? It's a beautiful mirror.
It's huge.
Yeah, and it's kind of heavy too.
Tip of my fingers, dude.
Here's the sofa.
You're gonna hate it. The rug has to move a little bit. This way.
How dare you move the rug?
Worst news to deliver.
Okay.
You're already making the bed.
I am. I'm doing the last bit.
I can't get it.
What is
But
the
your
deal?
form is great though. There's so many.